Hey guys, it's been a while didn't post any video. Um, Thank you to all my 60 subscriber, appreciate it. Uh, means a lot to me. Uh, it's been a while didn't post. I've been really busy and stuff like that. But I'll show you what I guys have been working on. It's still my hatch. If you see previous video, I've been working on my hatch. Been a long time now. So now she's out of the garage and I'm doing some stuff. I installed a, it's called a Feel wide body kit on it. Uh, Carbon fiber hood, Bomex wing in the back, deep dish wheel. So right now it's only got the rear wheel for now, but I'm working on it slowly. I'm doing a mini shave for the engine bay. I did all my wire tuck, stuff like that. So I'll show you. I'll do a walk around with you guys. As you can see, it's missing the front wheel like I told you guys. But yeah, it's pretty clean. The whole car is clean. No rust and everything. Like I just show you a piece. Every Civic that rusted out. Just look at that. No rust at all. That's rare for a Civic. So yeah, I've been working on that. I'm doing a bigger brake conversion on it. So bigger caliper. So it's mostly just a OEM plus as they call it. So it's like an Integra front brake, bigger booster, 1-inch booster. So here's a wide body kit, as you can see it. It's a bit of a rough shape, but I try to make it work. I'm still not done. Still a lot of things to do on it. That's their deep dish wheels. 16 by 10 in the rear and 16 by 9 in the front. That's the Bomex wing. If you don't know what this logo is, you know what's up. That's why my car is called red, because I'm a skateboarder. It's been a long time in skating. So yeah, still a lot of things to do. You can see it was cracked, because when I got the white body, it was already like damaged and stuff like that, really worse than what it is right now. So you can see some crack right there, crack there, and some crack over there, you know, stuff like that. But that's, for me, it's all minor stuff I can repair and fix. So that'd be stuff I'll be graduating. I just bought a thing for my camera. So yeah, it's still not done. A lot of things to do. Got the rear lip and the under and the back rear, a mid wing. Some people don't like the mid wing, but I do. For me, it's floating the car. As you can see, it's like got the nice latch over there, so that's what I like. Mostly all the interior is pretty much all gutted out. I had all leather interior. Not a big fan of leather, so it's all stripped down. But yeah, all stripped down. Got racing seats to put on. Got some front camera kit, skunk 2, OMP racing wheel. Got energy quick release too. You need any quick release or any stuff for your steering wheel, promise you 100% go with energy steering wheel are the best stuff so far. Never had an issue with them. I got an SIR cluster, but in the States it's an SI, but here in Canada it's an SIR, 9000 RPM. Basically this stock thingy. Type R headlight. They're really the Type R headlight, black chrome and everything. So that's gonna be the headlight for the car. So yeah, that's what it is. Carbon fiber hood. It's a bit dirty. Car has been parked for a while. That's the engine bay right now. I've been working on. Still not done. It's a lot of sanding to do. So yeah, that's about it for now. And I got a B18 B1 to put on. I got a LS GSR head, so I want to do LS VTEC kit. I need to buy to put a GSR head on it for a B18 B1. So I may do that, or I may just put my B16A I got. It's got high compression and piston, a double spring, stage 3 cams. skunk 2 intake manifold, 17 mils throttle body. So yeah, a lot of good goodies, and yeah, that's about it. And I know it's not much for now, but I'll get some better content. I know my content are not super nice like everybody else. I'm sorry about that. I try my best, and life what it is, and I don't sketch anything. It's what I show you. It's what I do. I have nothing to hide in what I do my car stuff. So as soon as I got more video, I'll post it up for sure. But I got a lot of stuff to install on the car, and I'll try to keep you guys updated with that. So if you do like the video, please push the thumbs up. Sorry about that. Like and subscribe, and if you need any info or you want to give me any advice, I'm open with that. Go in the comment section right up there. I'm open with this. Appreciate it. And much love to everybody that been subscribed and liking my video. Appreciate it. Thank you. Peace.